Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can install and use NoelOCR so as we can be able to extract text from scanned PDF. Okay, but the amazing thing about this Python library created by me is that it can extract text from an image. It can extract text from the scanned PDF, but also it can extract text from full text PDF. So it is cutting across in three different kind of files. It can extract the text from image, it can extract the text from the scanned PDF, and it can extract the text from full text PDF. I mean the PDF which is searchable. So thanks to Noel Moses Mwadende, myself. Okay, so let's install the NoelOCR. Here I'm using Linux, and actually this Python library is so far it supports the Linux operating system. The module which will support the Windows operating system will be created in the next release of our library, the next version, which I think will be better version. This is actually an alpha version. So to install NoelOCR, make sure you have the Python 3 installed in your computer, and here is how to install. So the command is pip. I put 3 because I want to install the package in Python 3. So pip install NoelOCR. Alright, so once I press enter, let's wait. Okay, so the packages are corrected and successfully installed. So let me type Python 3. Okay, then after, let me now, we have successfully installed the NoelOCR. So the next thing we are going to do here is to import it and extract the text from an image, from scanned PDF, and from full text PDF. So I import the NoelOCR. So I can say import NoelOCR as nm as Noel Moses. Okay, never mind. So text is equal to nm.process pdf, then in bracket inside I pass the name of a file. Okay, so I'm going to pass the name of scanned PDF, which is condo.pdf. Okay, this was okay my operating system. Okay, this was my past paper. Okay, of third year in my degree. Okay, from University of Dodoma. So let me print the text. So here you can see what does a file system do. Let me open up this PDF. Okay, so as you can actually see, okay, so this was operating system security, the course I was taught by one of my doctor called Dr. Kondo. So here you can see let me show you the question. You can see this text extracted. Okay, like what security goals does operating system? Okay, explaining the best practice of user administration. You can see all of this content from here. Okay, explain best practice of user administration in OS. So let me close this. So it is able, I can say, to extract text from the scanned PDF. Okay, but here there is I have a full text PDF, so I can try out to extract the content from full text PDF. Alright, okay, so let me show you something here. So here there is a cv.pdf. okay, this is my curriculum vitae. As you can see, I can highlight. This means this is a full text PDF. Okay, so let me show you how the NoelOCR can also extract the text from the scanned PDF, though it was purposefully created to extract text from scanned PDF, but it just happened to be a cutting across tool. Okay, so the input is cv.pdf. In short, my CV has about 9 pages, so it can take a little time. Alright, so after extracting text from a full text PDF, as I've told you that this tool is also capable of extracting text from an image. Okay, so this is image. We'll try out to extract the text. Okay, let me print out here. Let me print the text. So you can see this is the content inside of my CV. Okay, you can see here, these are my publication: pandas tool for data scientists, introduction to machine learning. Okay, and if I open up my CV and I go to the last page, you can see, let me show you this publication. All right, okay, so these are my publication: introduction to machine learning. As you can see here, introduction to machine learning, Dodoma, Tanzania. So that's it. It can also extract the text from full text PDF. The last thing I want to demonstrate about this, a powerful tool in Python, is extracting the text from an image. So let me open up this image. Okay, it's got the extension of JPG, and you can see intro, communication theory, analysis, application, introduction, and blah blah. So let me import. Okay, let me say this is 3.jpg. Alright, single page, so it will process very fast. As you can see here, intro, communication theory, analysis, application, introducing, analysis, and application. So this is how the NoelOCR tool powerful. Okay, you can see it can extract text from the scanned PDF. It can extract text from a full text PDF, and it can extract text from scanned PDF, full text PDF, and it can also extract text from an image. So that is all about how you can actually use the NoelOCR, a tool for extracting text from the scanned PDF. So if we try out to put wrong, okay, let me say you can see something is wrong. So once you try out to input the wrong input, it will tell you that something is wrong. So actually this is an end of this tutorial on how you can install NoelOCR and how you can use NoelOCR. Thank you, and I see you in the next tutorials. Goodbye.